Guys, so in today's video we are going to unbox these shoes that I purchased from Nordstrom. I purchased these last month. Was it last month? I think I purchased these last month. Yeah, day after Christmas, but I still got them about a week ago. Whatever. Anyways, let's go through these shoes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 pair of shoes. Listen. And I love a Nordstrom sale. So these boots here are by Chinese. I don't want to lie. I will lie. It's on the top of the box. Chinese laundry. Okay, and it's just calf boots. I don't know if it fits or not. Don't really have a choice, so I pray that it does. I got this in a 7.5. I can fluctuate from a 7 to an 8 depending on who makes the shoes. So that is number 1. I am tired. I am tired. I was gonna say I'm not tired, but I am tired. I have been struggling in the sleep department since Saturday night. Today's Monday. Martin Luther King. MLK Day. MLK Day. But yes, I have been struggling since Saturday with the fever. Right now, I'm okay. With it being, I think it's around 9 o'clock in the morning. I took medicine at 4, I think. And I took NyQuil with Bake Rub or something like that. And that's what I've been taking. I'm praying that it works well. Yeah, I'm praying that it works well, because the last thing I need to do is deal with the flu or pneumonia again. But if I have any more issues this week, I will go somewhere. I won't wait like it did last time. Okay, next one is going to be these burgundy Steve Madden shoes here. I believe I purchased this in a 7.5. I wish I purchased them in an 8. But, oh, I did purchase it in an 8. I purchased it in an 8. And I'm excited. If you do not know, blue and burgundy are my 2 shoes that I love, and a red. And a red. But to be honest, blue for me is like my neutral color in a shoe. Then I got these Steve Madden sneakers here. And these shoes, all of them, were really, really cheap. I know, especially if it's based off a seasonal thing. I don't do seasonal shopping. I do bargain shopping. And I'm not ashamed. I got it also in the pink pair. I got these both in 7.5. Because I believe it said on the site that the sizes ran fine, like normal. The heels, the sizes ran small. Then I got these here, and that's just the 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th pair of Steve Madden shoes I have that I'm showing you today in this video, but I know I have more. And I love this pair of shoes. I think it is really cute. High as I don't know what, but I love the chunkiness in the heel also. Okay. And last but not least is going to be these Vince Camutos. I don't know how to pronounce it. But it is these olive green chunky heel shoes, which I am loving. Okay? Which I am loving. And that is it for this Nordstrom haul. I purchased these shoes when they had the, was it 60% off red tags or 70% off red tags? It was a good bargain. It was a good bargain. And these shoes are nicely made. I know that much. Now, I know I had the paper, but I don't know where it's at. I don't know where it's at. But that's it, guys. I think I spent $23 was the most I spent for an order, if I have it correctly. But I may be wrong. I know I just had the damn paper. But that's what I do. I have something put down and don't even know where I put it at. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm not going to stress it. As I told you guys, I am tired. I'm hungry. Part of me want to eat, part of me don't, because I don't feel like having to run to the bathroom. My apologies, I know TMI, but that's just where I am today. I don't know where I caught this bug from, and I'm glad that it looks like it's about to leave or is gone. It was gone. I haven't done a makeup video in a minute because this eye here has been really tripping out on me. It has been doing better for the past couple of days, but as you see, it's always something, okay? And it's crazy because I got sick around this time last year also, but that time was a COVID thing. My first time ever having to deal with COVID. So right now I'm just like, oh my God, okay? Oh my God. Oh my God, it's painful. Anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys thought about these shoes. Like I said, I don't do for trends. I like to shop based off of sales, and I will wear whatever, how I feel when I want to wear it. I don't get into the whole trendy type thing in that aspect of like, oh, seasonal shopping. Oh, this came out this season, I need it. I'm not there yet. Don't know if I'll ever be there. Okay, may not ever be there, and I'm okay with that. But anyways, until the next video, be beautifully different, stay beautifully different, and be you. Bye, guys. In case y'all wanted to see my nails.